Okay guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fully automatic redstone tool. So it's like this. It's very simple. All you need is this stuff right here. So you will need redstone torches, red sticky pistons, a pressure plate of your choice, a block of your choice, and redstone. That's all you need. Don't need these, and yeah. So the first thing you're gonna do is build around your door if you want. This is completely optional, but I'm just gonna make a place, an entrance, and then you're going to place sticky pistons here. Um, I'm doing 3, and then place some more. Place the door entrance that you want, and I messed up already. Okay, this time let's make it correct. I'm doing a 2x3 door. Okay, let's just know that. Put these sticky pistons, then your blocks of choice, and then you are going to want to place pressure plates here, right here. So that's 1, 2, 4 blocks away from the door, and then you're going to delete these blocks, and then you're going to want to build like this. So build that, and then put that there. So put redstone here, 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 and then connect these just like that, and then place a block right here, here, actually, yeah, here, here, and here. Going to place redstone torch, redstone, and boom. That should activate. And then you're going to want to place redstone here, connecting to this block. Okay, now you're just going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So I'm going to do that really quickly. Then that's actually everything done. Okay, I lagged there, but that's basically it actually. And yeah, probably really short vid of how to do just this. Might look complex, but it's not. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video, and bye.